Hello and welcome. We got another car here. It is an Audi A4 Avant 2.0 engine, diesel engine. And the problem with the car is the MMI. So I will show you when I give keys in. So see this emergency, it's obviously it's damaged here, some pixels are dead, but emergency update, no data CD, time left, then it just counts down, reboots to the same picture back. Also no radio is working, and the customer says to me in a day, hear the sounds, in a day or two I will disable the lights. In a day the battery is gone. Well, we need to figure out why this thing needs an emergency update and why the battery is gone bad. I am already figured that out. I'll show you. If I close the car, take the key out, and then I will lock the car. So the car's locked down. I will put the key away, and we will wait in the car and look at the lights. So the gateway, the sensor gateway, in those VAC cars always goes off around 20 till 30 seconds, and then it shuts down all the computers inside the car and the car goes to sleep. So it drains the minimum of current. We will see what happened here. When this light will go off, the car should go to sleep, but there is an issue and the gateway wakes up again. You will hear this. In just a moment. So this light is still on, this light is still on, and this light is still on. This blinks because it's the car is locked. But wait, you will see this. I will be quiet so you can hear it. Few more moments. Okay, did you hear this? I hope you could hear this. The gateway just wakes back on and normally draining the battery. So let me hook up VCDS and we will see what codes we got inside. So look at this. I have done a quick scan. This is all red, or nearly all. Okay, so this car has many problems. I think, but I will not deal with other problems. I'm just interested in this problem. And let me see. It's not focusing. Okay. I don't know why. Okay. So let's go to let's say media player 2. Okay, it's turning on now. Okay, got no response. Try it again. Okay, because it's turning off. When it's turned on off, I got no response. Okay, this drive mechanical malfunction. Okay. Function limited to under voltage. Okay, the battery was drained out, and this is also from the battery. Okay. So we got a mechanical disk malfunction in here, it seems. So let me go back, and let me look at the radio. Okay, the radio says status okay. Let's see. But I got no communication to the radio. Try it again. Nope. It's turned on, but no communication to the radio at all. Okay. Let's see what we got here. Media player 1, media player 1, media player 2, media player 1. No connection. Nope. So we got no connection to media player 1, but here it's marked OK. We got no connection to radio, it's here marked OK. Okay, let me try the navigation system. We also got no communication with the navigation system. Okay, so things that are black here. Okay, I can connect to none of this, but I can connect to all others that have problems. So let me just erase all the codes, and then I will do a full scan one more time. So next thing, I've cleared all the codes. Many codes came back. For other stuff, I'm not been asked to do this, so I'm just concentrating on the MMI. So I've got here media player 2 that I can access to, and I get the fault by mechanical fault in the CD changer. So this is the MP3 changer. I cannot access to the sound system. I cannot access to media player 1, and I cannot access to radio, and I cannot access navigation. So those I have no access to them via VCDS. But if we go to the CAN gateway and we look we look at the installation list, you can see here media player 1 should be there. Okay, let me go down. Media player 2 is there. I can access that. Then navigation should be there. I cannot access this. Then there is sound system. I cannot access the sound system. And there's the radio. I cannot access to. Yeah, this is it. So in the CAN installation list, there are all these present, but I cannot access them. Let me show you. So media player 1. Nothing. Also, another thing, I have navigation here, but I have no box at the rear of the car. Most Audis have in the trunk at the left side, they have this navigation where you can put your DVD in, and this one is not have it. It's a 2009, so I'm not sure if the navigation is already in the hard drive in the radio, or is it in the trunk. I have to find out. And we go from there. I don't know for now what to do. So for now I decided to do the following. My thoughts are like this. This car is coming to me from another shop. I don't know what they doing to this car. They don't want to really tell me what they did. But I'm assuming that I think there's something wrong with the MP3 changer, because I got the fault for a mechanical fault in this one, and I think there's maybe a CD inside that won't go out, or there's something wrong with the mechanism. And when I look at this. When I look at this tells me, or this I'm assuming, someone was tried to make an update of the MMI. Update goes wrong, and from there it's like that. So this is what I think it could be the problem. So when this is not starting, obviously radio starts, no starts to radio, no starts to navigation, no starts to the sound system, so I cannot access to none of them. So my next step, I will get this out, and I don't know, try to unplug it and then run it with unplug it, or look inside what's wrong, if it's a disk inside or something like this. So let me take this out. Okay, so this is the final video now. Unfortunately, I was not able to record my repair of this car anymore, but I got it repaired, and I just this is my shop now, and I'm recording. Just to tell you what I was doing to get it fixed, and I think you are gonna know what I'm talking about, even if it's not video recorded. So, my assuming the CD changer has anything to do with this problem was wrong. The CD changer was running perfectly okay without problems. It was the only component that was running. After some research, I found out that this is a 2009 car, but it still got the MME low. So it's not the mmi2 high, but it's the mmi2 low or basic version, who has a red monochrome display. And this kind of MME has the navigation DVD in the right of the car, in the glow box. Yes, in the glow box. When you open it, there is a DVD navigation unit. And after some hard research, I found out that this is also the main control unit, so the head unit. So everything is controlling from this unit: the radio, the navigation, the sound system, and the CD changer. Everything is controlled by that unit. So I took this unit out and try to make it, to update it. So I know that 2G high systems and 3G systems from MME can be updated with CDs or DVDs or SD cards, but MME2 low or basic version cannot be updated. So I bought from eBay a used one, exactly the same numbers, everything the same, and I connected it. And as soon as I connected it, all worked. Display came on. I also replaced the display because it was cracked. I buy display and head unit from one user. It was not so much money, so I was happy with this. And as soon as I replaced this, the display came on, radio came on, everything was assuming to work, but I had a component protection problem. For those of you that doesn't know what this is, Audi has a component protection thing going on with replacing, to prevent replacing units from old used units. So their philosophy is that this prevents cars to be stolen and then selling from parts. But we know what this is. This is only so you have to bring the car to Audi to program you this unit that you replaced from a used car, that it's working. So for this problem, you have to go to Audi or to another user that has access to the server with Audis, and then you can remove the component protection. So I done this. I know a guy that has this. I don't have it because it's too expensive. And as soon as component protection was removed, I just had to do some adaptations and some basic settings. So I programmed the unit to the car. This can be done with normal VCDS or with Audis. I have them both, and everything was okay. The car was fixed, and I hope you know what I'm talking about. I'm really sorry I didn't record it because it was a long process and I was really learning self about the system. I didn't repair it once before, and it was hard for me. So I really like to share this with you. I hope I helped anybody to understand this system, how it's working, and okay, car was fixed. See you in the next video. Bye bye.